For billion years ago, Earth was a mess. Volcanoes were screaming, the air was toxic, and there was zero life. No plants, no bugs, no YouTubers. But somewhere in that prehistoric chaos, a recipe was being written.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
A recipe for us. This is the story of the Primordial Soup, the most important cooking disaster in history. In 1953, Stanley Miller and Miller-Urey decided to play God in a lab. They filled glass flasks with the gases of early Earth, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen, and zapped them with electricity to simulate lightning. Just a few days later, the clear water turned deep red and gooey. When they looked inside, they found amino acids. The literal Lego bricks of life had appeared out of thin air. But here's the kicker. Miller's original experiment was just the beginning. In 2008, scientists reanalyzed his original vials with 21st century tech and found even more amino acids. But there was a missing link. How do these Lego bricks build a house? Modern research suggests that common clay or minerals acted like a cosmic workbench, holding molecules in place so they could bond into complex chains like RNA. Not everyone thinks the soup was on the surface. Some scientists say the kitchen was at the bottom of the ocean. Hydrothermal vents act like giant chemical batteries, pumping out heat and minerals. In these high-pressure zones, the chemistry of life doesn't just happen, it thrives. It's a 24/7 chemical buffet that could have powered the very first cells. This brings us to the RNA world hypothesis. Before DNA, there was probably RNA, a molecule that can both store information and do work. It's like a Swiss Army knife. Once you have a molecule that can copy itself, biology takes over from chemistry. The soup finally had a chef. Every living thing on this planet, from the mold on your bread to the person you have a crush on, can be traced back to that one lucky chemical reaction. We are essentially self-replicating puddles of ancient seawater. We've proven the ingredients are easy to make, but the jump from soup to soul is still the greatest mystery in science. So here's my question for you. If we find a planet with the exact same soup as early Earth, do you think life must happen? Or was our beginning a 1 in a billion miracle? Let's talk in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.